morning students. Hope all of you are doing good. I am Miss Karima. Welcome to our RKP online classes. Today my topic is 4-digit numbers. You know the numbers we are using in our daily life like 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. We are using the numbers. Numbers are made up of digits. Okay, numbers are made up of digits. In our topic, we will read 4-digit numbers. First of all, we should learn 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Then we will come on 4-digit numbers. So, first digit, 1-digit number, from where it starts and from where it ends. Can you guess? Can you guess 1-digit number, where it starts and from where it ends? It starts from 0 and to 9. Means you can say it is the smallest 1-digit number and it is the highest 1-digit number. It is the smallest 1-digit number and it is the highest 1-digit number. Similarly, 2-digit number. 2-digit number. From where 2-digit number starts? It starts from 1, 0 means 10 to where it ends? 99. 99. Now 3-digit number. 3-digit number. What is the smallest 3-digit number? Can you guess? Yes, it is 100. Now let's take one more point here. If you add in 2-digit number plus 1, then you get 100. And this is the smallest 3-digit number. This is the smallest 3-digit number. Similarly, and the highest 3-digit number is 999. Okay. Now you can take the help of this again. If you add plus 1, what it becomes? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. Again carry, 9 plus 1, 10. What is this? It is the, yes, it is the smallest 4-digit numbers. Now you can write here 4-digit numbers. 1000 and where it ends? Yes, 999. When you add 1, we get 1000 and it is the 4-digit number. 4-digit smallest number. And where it ends? 9999 means it is the smallest 4-digit number and it is the highest 4-digit numbers. Now student, as we have learned 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit numbers, now we will learn how to write the numbers with the help of these pictures. This is our first way to write the numbers. So this box represents 1000 place. What does it represent? It represents 1000 place. These layer represents 100 place. These sleeping lines represent tens place and these boxes represent ones place. So you can easily count it and write on their places. So this is the box. How many boxes are there? 1. So 1000, at 1000 place, what number will come? 1. This represent what? What? This represent 100 place. And how many layers are there? 1, 2. It means 2 will come on 100 place. How many sleeping lines are there? 1, 2. But student, count it. It has 10 small boxes. So what does it represent? Tens place. And how many tens are there? 2. So here 2 will come. And how many ones? Ones means 1. How many 1 boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 will come on ones. So students, with the help of these pictures, we write it in the place chart value. Can you read it? Can you read it? Yes. With the help of this place chart, 1223. With the help of these place chart value, we can easily read it, and with the help of these pictures, we can write the numbers here. So let's take one more example to make it clear. How many boxes are there? 2. So what does it represent? It represents 1000 place. And at 1000 place, what will come? 2. These red color layers, what does it represent? 100 place. And how many layers are there? 1, 2, 3. So at 100 place, what number will come? 3. How many sleeping lines are there? 2. And what does it represent? Tens. So what number will come on tens place? 2. And at ones, how many boxes are there? This represent what? Ones place. And how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number will come on the ones place. In this way, with the help of these pictures, you can write the numbers. Now you can read it. 2325. You must know, you must remember, this box represent 1000. These layer represent 100 place. These sleeping lines represent tens place, and these boxes represent ones place. And by counting all this, you can write just below their places and can easily read it. Now students, do these questions by yourself. Students, with the help of pictures, we write the numbers. Now it is our second way how to write the numbers when in the words are given and write in the place chart value. So it is the easy way now. How? It has already mentioned the places 1000, 100, tens, ones, and you will write only in this place chart value and can easily read the numbers and write the numbers also. So shall we start? It is the easy way. 2000 means 1000, where 2 will come? At the 1000 place. On 100 place, what will become? 0. On tens place, what will number become? 4. And on ones place, 6. Then you can easily read the number 2000. There is no 100 place. 2046. You can easily read the number and write the number with the help of these numbers that are given to you in the words. Similarly, do this. 6,000 means 6 will come on the thousand place. 6 will come on the thousand place, and at hundred place what will it come? 2. And on tens place 1, and on ones place 5. Now you can easily read the number 6,215. So with the help of this you can easily write the numbers, and with the help of pictures you can easily write the numbers. It means there are two ways you have learned. With the help of pictures and with the help of words you can easily write the numbers. So students, do these questions by yourself. Now students, with the help of these given numbers you can easily write the numbers also. This is the third way to how to write the numbers. This is the 1000, this is 200, this is 60, and this is 5. What does it represent? It represents 1000 place. It represents 100 means it represents 100 place. This represent tens place, and this represent ones place. So at thousand place what will come? 1000 means 1000. 200 means at 100 place what will come? 2. 60 means at tens place 6 will come, and this is 5 that will come on ones place. If you read this, then 1265. Students, you should learn, you must know that this is the thousand place, this is 100 place, and this is tens place, this is ones place. That digit that comes on 100 place will be written here, and that digit that comes on tens place will be written on tens place, and at ones place at the ones place. Okay. Similarly, this is the 3000 means at the thousand place 3 will come. This is 100. There is no other digit na, so you will write at 1 at the 100 place because this is the 100 place. This is tens place means what digit will come on the tens place? 1. And what digit will come on ones place? 6. Let's take one more example to make it clear. This is the 5000. You can easily read means at the thousand place what digit will come? 5. So you can write 5. At the 100 place what digit will come? This is the 200 na, and this is the 100 place, and what digit come here? 2 means 2 will come on the 100 place. Tens. At tens place what digit will come? 3. And at ones place what digit will come? 5. So you can easily write with the help of these numbers the place chart value. In these numbers you should learn what will come on the 100 place. This is the 2 digit, so 2 will come here. There is 1 digit, so 1 come on 100 place, and this is the 100. 2 digit, so 2 digit will come on the 100 place. Similarly, at tens place 60 means 6 will come on the tens place. Tens means there is 1, so 1 will come on tens place. 30 means 3 will come on the tens place, and these are the one digit numbers. These are the one digit number that will come on the ones place. So with the help of these numbers, you can easily write the numbers, and you can easily read the numbers also. Like, take this example, 5235. This is 3116, and this is 1265. So students, do this practice question by yourself.